Hello everyone. I heard there were some requests for a video on how to access your grades since you are 6th graders and you're brand new. So here's the Altaloma page. You're going to go to the left, you're going to click login. Okay, and we had already registered. So you'll put in your username and password there and click login. And this is generally your layout of what your portal is going to look like. Yours might look slightly different because I'm a teacher and you're a student. But generally the layout is the same. You'll have current assignments here, you'll have your classes here, where you can toggle between them. If you need to check your LoopMail, if you need to email a teacher or they need to email you back, you click LoopMail, and this is where your inbox will be. So if you need to reply, you'll click on the email, okay, and then there's a reply button right here. All right, and let's say you wanted to email me, you would just type in my name in the box. You can even just search for Connolly and my last name, and click my name, type your message, and hit send. So that is how you access the LoopMail. If you need to go back to your inbox, you click here. If you need sent messages here, if your inbox is way too overwhelmed, you can highlight these and then you can move them into an archive. So that way if you click the archive here, you'll find your messages. Now to check your grades, you can go back to the portal here. This is the very first page, the home page that you have. And generally, if you click on the class, you should be able to get your grades. Sometimes they show up here on the right, but those are different ways to check your grades out. If you click on a class, it'll tell you exactly the assignments. You go to curriculum, the assignments are there again. The locker, sometimes people have things there. I don't typically, and since we're using Google Classroom, most people probably won't. And lastly, there's another version of the calendar. I hope that this tutorial was helpful. If you ever need to go back to your main page, click there. If you ever need to go back to the Altaloma Middle School website, click the upper left. Have an excellent day.